Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor and your favorite Houston chiropractor's wife, Renae. And last time you saw me adjust Renae, it was down in beautiful St. Thomas, Virgin Islands. And we were wishing we were still down there. Yeah. Houston's great, but St. Thomas and Virgin Islands in the Caribbean is greater. And a big shout out to Anthony, by the way. Hey, Anthony, if you're watching, we love being back there as soon as possible. Find us a place. Okay, so we're going to check out Renae and adjust her today. Let's have you flex forward and backwards for me. And then she's going to see Joseph for a chair massage because we can get her head on straight. Okay, good. Let's lay you down here, honey. I promised not to pull her head off this morning, even though I wanted to. Renae laughs at anything, so she's a good companion. Okay. She's a great office manager too. So when you do call Advanced Chiropractic Relief, you definitely want to speak with Renae about getting scheduled. She and people coming from out of the country and out of town, she can send you plans that we have worked out for people coming in from out of state or out of the country for twice a day for 4 days in a row, especially for hiatal hernia patients or herniated disc patients. So nice deep breath through your nose, honey. Oh yeah, good. That was smooth. That smooth to you, honey?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Let's see. She's still kicking. Yep. Yeah. Okay. Now Renae has some really good cracks here, so perfect. Yes, sir, ma'am. That should have felt pretty smooth.
It did.
Good.
You're doing good.
I told her I'd be nice to her this morning. Okay, you're supposed to wait till it gets down there, honey bunny.
Well, my.
Okay. You got makeup all over my towel. Now we're going to have to change towels. Okay, let's go on your tummy. Legs are even. And they're staying even. Now that tightens up though in your low back, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And pelvis is off just a little bit right here. She is a pain in the butt, but right now we're sleeping on 2 Tempur-Pedic mattresses stacked on top of each other. So we kind of got to run and hop up in bed at night. And then our 4 kitties are clawing and working their way up. I'm going to put your head forward a little bit. There we go. Oh, yeah. Okay, lower you're out. Okay. Got one more right here, honey. Keep breathing. There we go. Good. That's it. Alright. Okay. Now this should feel a little easier already. Yep. Better. Even though Joseph's going to massage her, I'm going to go ahead and buff her here. Just to get her a little relaxed. This a lot of times takes the edge off of the initial, not really trauma, but the initial feeling of getting an adjustment, because an adjustment, when done properly, moves bones, so the muscles and ligaments immediately go into a reactive phase where they're changing from the old alignment to the new alignment. Sometimes people get a little sore after an adjustment because their muscles are going to be working out differently than they're used to, kind of like if you went to the gym and you start doing a new exercise. The muscles that you're working differently for the first time, they're going to get sore from a buildup of lactic acid and toxins. We're going to need to make sure Renae drinks more water today than coffee. Okay, so let's just see one more right there. Okay, scoot all the way up in there for me. There you go. There it is, right there, Team 1. There There's T1 and T2. That was good on both sides. Okay, good. Now let's turn you on your back. She's been needing this for a couple weeks, but we've been so busy since we got back from St. Thomas. There we go. We got all these
You have to do the heel.
new great employees and new space. And okay. There you go. Did you feel that in your knee and your back?
I did, all the way down to my ankle.
Yeah. That's because your ankle was in the way.
Here, I'll do it.
Okay. Better, thanks. I'm not good at putting shoes on. Now sit chip face toward Joseph. Now Renee's shoulders are epic for like dropping out of the socket about an inch, so you'll really hear these fire off. There we go. Yep. And get her elbows and her wrists because she's been on the computer a lot. Just let it go. Better. Okay.
Fight or flight.
Fight or flight. She's a. It's like our cat. She gets the hair up on the back of her neck and the tails. There we go. Okay, let's come over here and shoot you.
Okay.
Nothing I enjoy more than shooting Renae. Well, except for pulling her. Okay, let's close your eyes and flex your head forward and backwards there. I'll put this on minimum so I don't rock your skull. Good. Okay, so that's looking better already. Hold those up and back. And we're going to bring your head straight back. Arch your back and look up. See, she's getting all nervous because her phone's ringing. She's not doing it. Okay, one more time and then you go answer the phone. Forward and backwards. Much better. Take a look at that. Right down the middle. Very good. Okay, so this is your Houston chiropractor and Renae from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see you next time.